How to reinstall OS using SolusVM OS Reinstaller. You can reinstall the operating system using the SolusVM automatic reinstallation tool. Note that it will delete all the data on your VPS. Log into your SolusVM control panel. If there is more than one server, click to select the appropriate one. Click the Reinstall option. Select the operating system you want to install and then click the Reinstall button. Click the Yes button to start the installation process. It takes some time to install the selected operating system. Copy and save the root or admin password. You will require it to access your VPS user account. Thank you for watching.